Okay, now I'm going to give you an example of what your data might look like. So one thing you do need to do is you do need to zero your force sensor, because otherwise it typically has some weird offset. I don't know if you necessarily need to do this every lab period. I think it should be consistent between lab period to lab period as long as the first student does it, but just in case. So it's this big 0 to the left of the collect button. And then you can choose which sensor you want to zero, the dual range force sensor or my motion detector, which I realize now is out of camera, so I'm sorry about that. So I'm going to choose to zero both. And it just takes a few seconds. I think my computer's a little slow, so it might take a little bit longer than most. And now I'm going to collect some data, and it's going to be very small because okay, so you can see, I set my force graph to be auto-ranging. So you can see this dip here of about -1 Newton. And you can see my position wasn't that big, but it's also not that long of a track from the